In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Skype support. Let's face it, technology can be a bit finicky at times, and there's a chance you might run into a hiccup while using Skype. Whether it's a technical glitch, account issues, or you just have a burning question, reaching out to Skype support via email might just be the solution you need. So if you're scratching your head, wondering how to get in touch with them, worry not. I'm here to guide you through the process, step by careful step. First things first, to get the ball rolling, you'll need to venture over to the Skype website. Once there, you'll find an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click that. If the technology stars align and it asks for your sign-in details, simply log in using your account. This is your gateway to getting the help you need, so make sure you're entering your details correctly. Now, upon signing in, you'll find yourself looking at the main Skype interface. But where do you go from here? Look towards the upper left corner of your screen for three little dots. These dots are, for lack of a better word, magical. They're going to lead you right where you need to go. Click on those dots and a new menu will unfold before you. Within this menu, there's an option labelled Help and Feedback. It's exactly what it says on the tin. Click on it and you'll be one step closer to making contact with support. From the options that appear next, you'll want to select Get Help. This is your direct line to addressing whatever queries or concerns you may have. Clicking on Get Help will navigate you deeper into the support offerings. And here's where it gets real. You'll see an option that says Contact Skype Support. This is your golden ticket. Click on that and you're almost there. Finally, to reach out via email, you'll need to click on the email icon presented to you. This action will typically lead you to a form or provide you with an email address to contact Skype support directly. And just like that, you've navigated the maze and made it to the end. Remember, being detailed in your communication helps support teams assist you more efficiently. So when you're writing that email, be sure to provide as much relevant information as possible. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to email Skype support whenever you need a helping hand. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, but sometimes we all need a bit of help figuring things out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward tech advice. Let's navigate the digital world together, one click at a time.